Let's dive into a powerful story about faith and a trap that's hidden in plain sight. Have you ever opened social media in Ramadan and felt your worship just wasn't good enough? Like everyone else seems to be praying more, reading more, just doing more. What if I told you that that feeling is actually a trap for your heart? You see, Ramadan is supposed to be a month of mercy, a time for hearts to return to God. Let me tell you about Ziba. She started Ramadan with the best intentions, the purest goals. But then she'd open her phone and her feed was just flooded with posts like this. And at first, she felt inspired. But that feeling, it slowly started to change. Suddenly, her own worship felt small, and Ramadan became to feel like a competition. Her worship became a source of pressure, not the peace she was actually looking for. Then one day, her cousin noticed her sadness and said something so simple, yet so powerful. Later, Ziba read this verse from the Quran, and it felt like a huge weight was just lifted. And she finally got it. Everyone's journey is different. We all have our own limits. See, she was stuck in the trap of performance when the real goal was always sincere connection. Because comparison just destroys the very heart of worship, sincerity, focus, and gratitude. So Ziba changed her approach. Just small acts of worship, but done with her whole heart. And you know what? When she finally stopped comparing her journey, she found peace again. She learned this beautiful lesson. Ramadan isn't about doing the most. It's about loving Allah the most. Your connection with Him isn't content for the world. So this Ramadan, it really all comes down to a choice for each of us. Close that door of comparison and open the door of sincerity, because Allah sees the heart.